Introducing the FireBag from TECO Americas. The simple design of the TECO FireBag thermally activated gas shutoff valve allows it to be installed easily in line in any natural gas or propane line. Gas flows through the FireBag during normal operation. When the temperature limit is reached, the FireBag triggers and closes, immediately stopping the flow of gas. Once triggered, the FireBag will remain closed and must be replaced. For ease of installation on existing meter applications, there is a meter bar kit that includes the FireBag itself to attach to the meter inlet and a companion coupling that goes on the meter outlet. The meter is then simply reattached to the meter bar as it was before. For installation on a single meter, there are 3 different options to choose from: on the service riser, upstream of the meter bar, or using the meter bar kit. For installation on a manifold with multiple meters, there are also 3 different options: on the inlet of the manifold or used as a coupling between manifolds, inline on the individual taps to each meter, or using a meter bar kit on each meter. FireBag valves are made of zinc-plated steel and can withstand 1,697 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes. They are available in sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inch NPT and can easily be used on smaller lines using a simple coupling. Models that include a shutoff ball valve are also available. Maintenance-free for its entire life, the TECO FireBag provides a simple and effective way to protect lives and property from damage caused by fire getting fed by natural gas or propane lines.